Alright, this is a special recording for myself. We got some good rider coming to test the wheel. So what we have here is the Lynx and the ET Max. So we're gonna do an acceleration test. So these guys are so these are you riders, and they're all go. Let's go. Woo. Well, it looks like first round Lynx won. Okay, first round Lynx won. Yeah. One more time. One more time. One more go. So we got round 2. Okay. Special recording. Round 2. ET Max and the Lynx. So let's see. There you go. Whew. Looks like second round, ET Max won. So second round, ET Max. So this is a third go. So we have the ET Max and the Lynx again. There we go. Wow! So the Lynx won again, the Lynx. So both are fast rider. Okay, they're very experienced. Oh. So this is the final 4th race, yeah? Final 4 race. Here we go. Definitely Lynx. Looks like Lynx won again. There you go.
Bring them
Well done.
Well done.
All right, get the trophies in.
Yeah.
Who won? Bagode won. You win. Bagode won today, man. Bagode won the wheel today. Winner.
No, leave fucking
Winner. Bagode. Well done,
both
Bagode.
good.
Well done, Bagode. Sorry, this guy is lost. It's all about Bagode. Bagode. It's all about Bagode.
Max.
So what do you think of the Big O ET Max? Haven't written it.
Well, what can I say?
The only way is Bagode.
Fucking impressive.
The only way is number one, baby. Number one.
Yeah.
Don't listen to him. He doesn't even know how to ride.
The only way is Bagode.
168 volt, please.
168 volt, yeah? Fantastic. Okay.
This
Okay.
is the future.
Okay, there you go.